Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to set Google Chrome as your default browser. We all have our favorite web browsers, and for many of us, Chrome has become the go-to choice. So if you're ready to make Chrome the default browser on your brand new Windows 11 system, you're in the right place. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To make Google Chrome the default browser on Windows 11, use these steps. Right-click the Start button, then click on Settings. Click on Apps. Click the default apps page from the left side. Select Google Chrome to make the new default browser on Windows 11. Click the Set Default button. Once you complete the steps, Google Chrome will become the new default on Windows 11. Thank you for tuning into our guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest tech tips and tricks.